We, Ukrainian students, appeal to you, the students from Europe. We are the same. We share the same dreams, aims, age, and fears. But what makes us different is peace in your homes and war in ours.
Ukraine is a victim today, the victim of violent aggression. Our country struggles for peace and urges the world to join it. We are for Ukraine's territorial integrity and for democratic choice.
Throughout our history, our ancestors committed themselves to united Ukrainian lands and making harmoniously blended nation. We greatly appreciate and care about unity and integrity of our lands in the united independent state.
We respect territorial integrity of other nations, our neighbors. Present-day Ukraine, aspiring for European integration, has to fight for freedom and independence. We are a united family of the great European state. Unity is our power.
We urge you to see and realize our problems. Don't let us down. The bloodshed in Ukraine can come to your homes. We want you never know about it. Everybody is sick and tired of war, especially those who have nothing to do with it.
For many of us, it's a mere part of somebody's reality, inconceivable, unreceptive, and unnoticed. But it does matter. You fall asleep, wake up in a century, open your eyes. It does exist. The war remains the same. The war will kill those indifferent and infuriating.
Information used to be our target, but now we are the target for information. And the point of concern is not in change, but a top concern is that everything will be the same.
Say no to war, say no to bloodshed, say no to fratricide, say no to violence in all its forms in the 21st century. See it, hear it, stop it, speak about it, respond to it, and this will help protect your homes as well.